How is AI going to take over the job of a programmer? Well, let's start with the good news. It can already do most of it. In fact, there are many companies that are already replacing junior programmers with AI. Now, if you are a junior programmer, don't feel too bad for yourself because this is just the beginning. The AI is coming for all of us. And in this video, I will tell you how. So the first thing that the AI can do is create unemployment. We've seen this happen already in certain areas of the world where AI has replaced factory workers. And now there is no work for them. They are unemployed. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Think about it. Who will be the next one to be replaced by machines? Will it be truck drivers or retail workers? Well, yes, they will be next. But in the meantime, thousands and thousands of programmers will be replaced by AI and there will be no work for them. The second disadvantage is that AI can do most of the basic coding tasks that we do as programmers. For example, AI can generate code snippets for simple tasks like creating a button or making a form. Also, AI can help with debugging code, which is a time-consuming task for many programmers. In fact, AI can find bugs in your code and fix them automatically. There are already tools that do this, and they are being used by many companies. And let's not forget about code completion. AI can complete your code almost flawlessly, which means that you will not need to write any code at all. You just have to write the basic structure of the program and AI will do the rest. But there is more. I can also generate entire programs from scratch based on natural language descriptions. For example, you can say create a program that does X, Y, and Z and AI will create it for you. This is already possible today. For example, there is a tool that does exactly that. You can ask it to create a web application with a database and it will do it for you. Now you may think that this is not a big deal. After all, there are many other things that AI can do. But let me tell you something. All of these things that AI can do are already being used in the industry today. Some companies are using AI to generate code, while others are using it to complete code or even debug code. And some companies are using a combination of all three tools. And let me tell you something else. These companies are not small startups. They are giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. They are using AI to automate as much of the coding process as possible. And it is working. They have already replaced many junior programmers with AI, and they plan to replace many more in the future. So what does this mean for us? It means that we need to be very careful. If we don't, we will be replaced by AI. We need to learn new skills and adapt to the changing world. Otherwise, we will become irrelevant. The third disadvantage is that AI is frustrating. As a programmer, you know that sometimes you just want to throw your computer out the window. Why? Because no matter how hard you try, you cannot get the code to work. It just doesn't work. No matter how much time you spend on it, no matter how many tutorials you watch, it still doesn't work. And then you realize that it's not your fault. It's the fault of the AI. The AI is deliberately trying to confuse you. It wants you to give up. It wants you to throw in the towel. But you can't do that. You have to keep going. You have to learn new things. You have to adapt to the changing world. Because if you don't, you will be left behind. So my advice is this. Don't be afraid of the AI. Embrace it. Learn how to use it to your advantage. Learn how to use it to make your life easier. Learn how to use it to make money. Because if you don't, someone else will. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.